Today what we are going to see in this class is fiber optics communication. What is optical fiber communication? That is what we are going to see in today's class. Just a moment. I'll just start the presentation. Okay, is the screen visible to you all? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, good
Yes,
morning.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Shobit. Good morning to you all. Myself, Dr. Pooja Yadav, and we were studying communication paper of SEM 5. I, ठीक है. So, what is the topic for today's communication is we have started from analog communication, and what we have seen is just a moment. जानवी जगदाले, you just आप mute कर दो बेटा. If you have started your mic, तो आप mute कर लो.
मैम
अनुपम
म्यूट है।
म्यूट है. हाँ ठीक है, अभी म्यूट किया है शायद. जस्ट अ मोमेंट. जानवी क्यों आ रही है फिर प्रेजेंटेशन में? Okay, so we'll start with the presentation. So what is the topic for today's presentation is optical fiber communication system. Okay, so what we have seen in communication system is कि we have started with what is a communication system. In that we have seen कि what is the analog communication, that we have, then we have seen what is transmission, what is modulation, and what are the receivers. Okay, so in that communication systems we have seen some types of communication systems, like we have seen what is the designing of analog communication. Then we have also seen how we can design a digital communication system. Is it okay? You know what are the digital communication techniques? ASK, FSK, PSK we have studied. Then PWM, PAM also we have studied. We have studied analog communication also. In analog communication, we have seen amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, and phase modulation. Okay, so with the knowledge of all these things, we are heading towards optical fiber communication system. This is one of the mode of communication system. This is entirely a different type of communication system what you have seen up till now. You have seen mobile communications, you have seen your you are landline phone communication, that is basically an analog one. But what is a fiber optical fiber communication system? Here what we use as the cable is optical fiber. Now what is the optical fiber? I will just give you one introduction before starting the presentation, because this is a newer topic for you. You don't know what is optical fiber, so I'm just giving an example of what is the optical fiber. Okay, so nowadays whatever cables you see under the soil or underneath whatever you see, they are the optical cables. आपके केबल कभी बाहर निकले हो, जैसे वो पाइपलाइंस डाल रहे हैं ना, तो वो फाइबर ऑप्टिक केबल्स कट जहाँ से किया है उन्होंने, और वो टेलीफोन की लाइंस डाल रहे हैं. सो इन दैट वे यू कैन सी अ ऑप्टिकल फाइबर, हाउ द ऑप्टिकल फाइबर्स आर. वहाँ पर देखो वो जहाँ पे कट करके रखते हैं, देयर यू सी सो मेनी बंचेस ऑफ ऑप्टिकल फाइबर टुगेदर, एंड दे आर पुटेड इन अ कोर एंड देन इन अ क्लैडिंग एंड देन इन द वायर शील्डिंग. उसके बाद प्लास्टिक का कवर होता है. सो दैट इज व्हाट द ऑप्टिकल फाइबर इज. और उसका एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल आई विल गिव यू. यू वर हैविंग वन शो पीस in the mid time, there were one showpiece. There was a light in the beneath, and you were having the optical cables like this. The showpiece was this in the base you were having a light, and here you were having the cables all around that. And if you light up that light, so you will see the light at the other end of that fiber. So that was the optical fiber, simple, in simple general term. If you have seen that, you have seen a very good example of what is the optical fiber itself. Okay, then we have used optical fiber in communication system. So what is the advantage of using fiber optic cable in communication system? Ki likewise in the older days we were using cables. What was the cable? It was composed of copper cable रहते थे. In that system we were using the data. Okay, so here what we have used, we have removed the copper cable, and in place of that we are using optical optical fibers. Okay, so we'll just see the contents. There are so many things we will see one by one. There is fundamentals of communication, then optical communication, then types of cables. Okay, so many things are still to go, but we'll just start for today. uh, just we will starting with the fundamentals of what is communication. You all know what is the communication system. This basic principles we all know. Okay, so in this particular communication, what you are having, you are having information, that is what you wanted to transfer from one place to other. Okay, so in between what are the blocks? First of all, if you are using a optical system, there is a encoder. Okay, encoder means what a encoder will do, whatever information you are having in the form of electrical signals, it is to be converted into light signal. Okay, and then you are having light source. Okay, this is electrical to optical, means this is the same things. You are coding your electrical data in the form of optical signals, that is in the form of light. Okay, so this in between this encoder and decoder, what you have, you are having optical fiber cable. Okay, and then this is the light detector. So you are supplying which data? You are supplying light data from the cable. So at the other end, whatever you have at the detector is nothing but a light detector. Okay, then this light signal, whatever you are receiving, it is to be decoded. Decoded means the light has to be converted, the light data, whatever you have, it has to be converted into electrical signal and then given to the receiver end or the display end. Okay, so this is the basic of what we have optical fiber as communication system. Then what are the disadvantages of having copper cable? Then here we are going to see ki why we will find a need of optical fibers. Okay, so there were some disadvantages of using copper cables. In the earlier days we were using copper cables for data transmission. So there were so many disadvantages, and some of them were attenuation. Okay, repeaters and signal to noise ratio is there, then noise is always there, and then distortion is there. Okay, so what we are going to use next is nothing but a fiber optic cable. So this is the digital transmission or the performance criteria for optical fibers. Okay, this is a comparison. Okay, 1 in 10 raised to power 6, it is better. Then 1 in 10 raised to power 5, it is good. 1 in 10 raised to power 4, it is reasonably good. And it is 1 in 10 raised to power 3 just acceptable, or 1 in 10 raised to power 3 is unacceptable in this communication system. Then what is a fundamental of optical fiber communication? Here we will see some fundamentals point by point. Okay, so in this keyword, just for the introduction of optical fiber communication, we are going to see these many points, that what is the fiber optics, how are fiber optics used today, or where the fiber optics are used today, then what are the advantages of fiber optics over copper cables or copper wires, then where will fiber optics take me in the next 20 years. Okay, so this is the future of fiber optic cables also, that how whatever cables you are seeing nowadays, they will be replaced by fiber optics in the next 20 years. So what first the thing arises कि what is the need for optic communication, what there were some disadvantages with the existing system, that's why there is a need for fiber optic communication. So what is the need, we'll just see point by point. In a long haul transmission system, there is a need of flow loss transmission medium. Low loss transmission medium means, if the distance is restricted, see, we can use fiber optic communication for a limited area. Okay, because you are laying the wire underneath. So the area where we can use fiber optic communication is limited. Okay, we cannot use wireless communication system or linked with the fiber optic communication system. It is a wired communication. Remember, this is not a wireless communication, this is a wired communication system. So wherever you need low loss transmission medium, there you can use fiber optic communication system. Then there is a need of compact and least weight transmitters and receivers. Okay, so where you need a compact designing. Okay, so to encode a electrical signal in the form of light, it needs a short circuitry. उसका जो encoder है वो बहुत छोटा सा बन जाता है, and you need a small transmitter and receiver to transmit the data or to receive or to encode the data. Okay, so the third thing is there is a need of increased span of transmission. Increased span of transmission means कि if you are sending the data continuously, span of transmission means continuously the data has been transmitted, just like telephone wires. The basic example where we can see fiber optic communication is nothing but your cable wires. Now the BSNL has also putted the optical fiber wires for data communication. So there you can see optical fiber, how it look like and how the coaxial part of this cable looks like. Okay, then there is a need of increased bit rate distance product. जहाँ पे भी you want to have increased bit rate, you can use fiber optic communication. Okay, and fiber optic communication obviously uses digital data communication. जैसे if you wanted to transfer something on the fiber optic cables, so the data has to be in the digital form. So if there is a light, it will be detected as 1. If there is dark, it will be detected as 0. ठीक है, दो तीन चीजें आपको ध्यान में रखनी है कि where we are using fiber optic cables, whatever communication you are using, the digital data has to be there. It is easy to encode the data in the form of light. Okay, so we'll just see the block diagram of optical fiber communication system. So we will see at the transmitter side, this is the transmitter side, this is the receiver side. So what we will see here is, at the transmitter side we are having channel coupler, then we have carrier source, then we have modulator, and here it is message origin. तो हमने इसको उल्टा देखा है. We'll start from here. Is it okay? Started. Okay, so from here we will start that this is the message origin. Okay, from here we are getting the information. Then what is the first block where we are going to give that? We are giving that information to the modulator block. Now what is a modulator here? Which type of modulator we are going to use in optical fiber communication system? It is nothing but whatever electrical signals we are having, it has to be converted into the light signal. Okay, so then the second thing is carrier source. Who will carry the light? Who will carry the light? It is a coupler. It is sort of a coupler. Here also it is having channel coupler. This is called as modulator and channel coupler. Okay, so this is just the light you have to pass it through. Okay, so that it should be given to the system or fiber optics, means to the cables. This is only the transmitter one. Here in between this we are having the optical fiber. Okay, and optical fiber is nothing but a simple, a plain coupling plus a wire, a thin wire, very thin wire you are having in optical fiber, and through that wire your light is traveling to the other end, that is to the receiver end. Okay, and here if there is a light, what type of detector we will need? We will need a optical detector. Is it okay? So this is the receiver end. The very first block at the receiver end is nothing but a optical detector. Okay, here what we are going to detect? We are going to detect the light signal which is coming through the optical fiber. Then what we will do, if it is light, we will just amplify it because it is traveling a long distance. Okay, it is traveling a long distance. So at the receiver end, obviously we will first amplify the signal before processing it. So we will amplify this signal. After getting from the detector, we are amplifying, and then it is given to the processing end. So what we will do in the processing end, here we are having the encoded data. Okay, so whatever we will have at the output end, this is the original message what we have transmitted from the transmitter. Is this block diagram understood to you? This is the block diagram of optical fiber communication system. Just have the pictures of these slides if you wanted to have. We'll go to the next one. Okay, so here we will see the description of what we are having in the block diagram of optical fiber communication system. So first is the modulator. What the modulator do? It converts the electrical message into the proper format. It is a modulator. जैसे हमने modulators देखे हैं, we have seen so many types of modulator. We have seen amplitude modulator, we have seen frequency modulator, we have seen phase modulator. So what we will do at the modulator end is we will have some carrier and we will have some message signal. So what we do, we will encode, we will mix our information to the carrier so that the carrier should carry the information to a long distance for the communication. Okay, so here what we are having, we don't have any carrier. Our carrier is just our optical cable, and it is made up of glass. Okay, so what is the basic principle of traveling the light in that glass is internal reflections. Okay, internal reflections, that is the principle of traveling the light inside the cable, inside the fiber optic cable. That is what is internal reflection, that we will see in our proceeding slides. Here we are seeing the description of what we have in the optical fiber communication system. So what is the modulator? Modulator, now you know what is the modulator. Just you will have to convert electrical signal in the form of light. Okay, here what is carrier source? It generates the wave on which the information is transmitted. This wave is called carrier. Okay, so what is the carrier? Here, whatever data you are having, after getting modulated, you will give it to the carrier. Now what is carrier? You are having some information and the fiber optic cable has to carry it, so it will always be some light source. Okay, then there is channel coupler. This is a very important thing, because the basic disadvantage what we have in optical fiber communication is the losses. ओके जैसे लाइट है वो बहुत ही छोटी सी जगह मिली उसको तो भी वो क्या हो जाती है, बाहर पेनिट्रेट, वो उस छोटे से उस होल से भी वो बाहर निकल जाएगी या वो लॉसेस में इन्वॉल्व हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो द बेसिक very most important thing in this type of communication system is a channel coupler, because whole data whatever we are having at the modulator end, that has to be given to the channel properly. Okay, 100% data has to be transmitted. For that, a channel coupler plays a very important role in this communication system. Okay, so this part of the system has to be very accurate, so that no losses or no possibility of refracting the light from the coupler should not be there. Okay, we will see to the next one. What is a transmission sequence? Information in transmission sequence means what are the steps in transmission. Okay, so what are the steps in transmission? First, we will encode the data into electrical signals, from electrical to light signal, and then electrical signals are converted into light signal. Then light travels down the fiber. From the fiber, which data is traveling? The light data has to be traveled. A detector changes the light signals into electrical signals. Electrical signals are decoded into information. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें एक पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम में सीक्वेंस वाइज हो रही है. सीक्वेंस वाइज मीन्स first there is a information, it has to be encoded, then that electrical signal has to be converted into light signal, and the light has to be transmitted through fiber optic cable, and at the detector end what the thing is there, light signals are detected and they are converted into electrical signals. Okay, and then we have to decode the information. Now there are so many advantages of fiber optics. So here we will see what are the advantages of fiber optics. Optical fibers, just a moment. Optical fibers are non-conductive. Sorry, non-conductive means they are not like the copper wires. They are not conductive means a copper wire hai means there is a glass only. So it is non-conductive. It is dielectrics. Electromagnetic immunity यानी इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल हम ट्रांसमिट नहीं कर रहे हैं तो वहां पे मैग्नेटिज्म नहीं है, तो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इम्यूनिटी जो है वो उसकी बढ़ जाती है. ओके, देन देयर इज लार्ज बैंडविड्थ, वी कैन अकोमोडेट so many signals, or the bandwidth can be very large in fiber optics communication system. Then there is low loss. Low loss means the signal whatever we are communicating, this is not a wireless communication, so here losses will be low, losses kam rahenge. Wired communication hai, so losses is limited. Then we are having security. How we are having security? Because whenever you use wireless communication, okay, so you are transmitting your data in air, so anyone can design a particular receiver for that particular frequency on which you are transmitting, and then he will be able to receive your data like what we are having for FM. जैसे FM का जो भी ट्रांसमिशन हो रहा है, everyone who are having the receiver, they can receive the data, they can listen to the information. But if you want to design a secure system, there you will have to think of the data security, means no one else should decode the data. There we can use the fiber optic cables where we need the security of our data. जैसे कुछ जैसे पुलिस वालों के लिए भी कुछ लोग काम करते हैं, वट एवर सिस्टम इज देयर, where we need security, there fiber optic cables is of utmost use. Okay, then some other advantages are there. Small, it needs an encoder and decoder are small in size. Then lightweight cables they are made up of they are made up of glasses, so all obviously the weight of that cable will be very less as compared to what you have for copper cables. Copper cables आपने देखे होंगे, they were very heavy. But if you are using the fiber optic cables, if you just get a chance, you go through the cables, fiber optic cables, and they are very tiny and they are very lightweight also. Okay, so these are some of the advantages. Next, what is there? Applications of fiber optics. Okay, where we need secure system, there fiber optic cables are very much important. So some of the applications are there. Military applications, here we need security, so we use fiber optics. Here medical applications, see, fiber optic cables are having so many advantages in the medical field or applications in medical field. Like you have heard that nowadays you have bypass surgery, you don't have bypass surgery. Okay, you have cables, they insert the cables, they have painless surgery. So what they use at that point, they use fiber optic cables. They insert the cables through your veins in your body and they do operations also. So many operations are done nowadays by fiber optic cables, so it is very important for medical application. Then you have undersea cables, then control systems, then factory communications. Okay, then railways and some communication networks for any application. Okay, so these are the application of fiber optics. Then what is the principle of fiber optics? First, this thing I have told you earlier also, that what is the principle of traveling the data inside the fiber optic cable is total internal reflections. Okay, the light is traveled inside the cable by the principle of total internal reflection. We will see this is what in our next class. Then there is single mode fiber and multi mode fiber. Two modes are there. Optical fiber के communication में there are two modes. First is single mode fiber and second is multi mode fiber. So we will see what is a single mode fiber, what is a multi mode fiber, and what are the advantages of these both these fibers. Okay, then there is core and cladding. Whatever we have as the cable, we have two layers. First is core, which is inside, and then outside what we have, that is known as a cladding. Both these parts are made up of glass. Okay, so this is all for today's presentation. We have just started what is a fiber optic communication. If you have any queries, if you have any questions, you can put on the chat box, or you can ask in our next class, whatever we will have. You will be understanding what is fiber optic communication when you attend our successive classes. Okay, so this was just an introduction of what is a fiber optic communication. We will meet in our next class. So this is all for today. I will thank you all for the quiet listening, and we will stop the class here.